Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y21s, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. Begin by opening Tab menu. Following that, click on this icon on the right of brightness slider. If the icon is blue, that means that auto brightness is on. In order to switch it off, click on the same one again. If you wish to, you can also go into settings, click on display and brightness, and click on this switcher next to adaptive brightness feature. This way you will turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!